In this lesson, we're going to learn about the functional groups esters. So esters are a functional group that has a carbonyl group, which is the double bond oxygen, and then also another oxygen that is single bonded to that same carbon that has the double bond to the oxygen, so the carbonyl group. So when we are naming and drawing esters, we are going to identify whatever the longest chain is that is attached to this carbon that has the double bond to the oxygen and the single bond to the oxygen. So this carbon has to be part of that chain. We're going to change the ending of the name there to O8, and the prefix is going to have whatever group that other carbon is, so the one that is single bonded to just the one oxygen. So that is going to be the first part of the name, and then after that we are going to put any other alkyl or halo groups that are attached to the main chain. So over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons over here, 2 over here, and then we have 1 off to the side here. So the one that is going to be the main chain is the one that is part of this carbon. So this carbon has the double bond to the oxygen and the single bond to the oxygen. So this is going to be the main chain. So that is the parent or root or main chain, and then we have an ethyl group, so that is going to be our alkyl group, and then we also have a methyl attachment here, so there's our side group off the parent chain. So for naming, we have a butane and then O8. We are changing the ending of that parent chain to O8 at the end, so butanoate. Our alkyl group is an ethyl, and our side group is a methyl, and it's off the third carbon. So we're always using that carbon that is attached to the carbonyl group and the oxygen as the first carbon. So we have an ethyl 3-methyl butanoate.